On behalf of Maharishi University, I welcome all the educators, leaders, principals from different schools across the India. It's my privilege to be a part of this gathering. As ma'am are discussing about the education policy, things are changing very fast. If we talk about the pedagogy in 20th century with respect to 21st century, there are different major changes. We are shifting from rote learning to practical learning, innovative learning, from classroom learning to globally learning in different platform. As you have seen in last few days, there is a notification from the CBSE side, all the type of, on 12th level also, we are going to change the delivery system in local language. NCERT also developing their curriculum, their books in local language also. So, what are the requirements at national and global level? In the same part, we are developing same curriculum in our local language. So, it is also one way, it is very easiest to our faculty members and the student, but on the contrary part, it is very challenging to build up our student for the national or international level, because as per new education policy, things are changing very drastically. New part of skill requirement, it is very challenging in the form of communication skill, innovative skill, leadership skill, problem solving skill. There are different type of skill requirement in future. So it is major responsibility to our all educators, principals, faculty members to change their in pedagogy, in their delivery system, because this is a time of 3I: innovative, research, inclusiveness and integrity. If we are not changing our system or delivery mode in this aspect, it is very difficult to our student as well as our faculty and our system also. So we have to think about what are the changes requirement in future, because in classroom delivery there is a time that the education system is depend on classroom delivery as a, we can say, as a teacher centric, but we are changing on a part of student centric, because things are on the part of different e-learning resource materials are available in different platforms. It may be government or it may be a different type of a university system. So we have to take care all these aspect, and major aspect in the delivery of classroom, that is the inclusiveness, integrity and involvement of all student. That can be possible with the help of, if we do the things just like any form of project based learning system. If we give any project to our students in classroom, not a form of delivery system, because information are available each and every aspect on each and every platform. So delivery in a just like a information system to deliver in a class, it is very not innovative part. So we have to think about what we are going to change in our classroom delivery. There are many more things we have to change, because in our university system, just like we can give you an example, in a part of PG or UG level, there is a dissertation system in each last semester. So we are taking the problems from the industry, and that problem we are sending to industrial part, where there may be use of that problem solving system or outcomes of that system or outcome of that problem, or it may be societal part. So we have to think about what we are going to change in our academic delivery. Next, it is very drastically change in our coming education system, because things are moving very fast, not taking much more time. I welcome once again all of you in this conference. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.